Hi everyone, I want to show you this Praktica LLC camera. This is the front, one side, the other side, the top, and the bottom. Unfortunately, the light meter does not work, but I can show you the lens and the shutter. So this is the lens. This is the back. Aperture works. I need to do a shine test. Please, I need to get my flashlight for that. Okay, so all right. $1,000. Okay. 500. 250. 60. 30. 15. 108. 104. 102. 1 second. And this is bulb mode. And this is flash mode. Okay, so all shutter works. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you everyone for watching this. Bye, God bless.